for this question, we're just evaluating each of the expressions. So basically, we're doing a function fx equals x cubed plus 23. We're basically going to replace each expression in that function.
So for the function 6x, you put in 6x for x there, so you get 6x cubed plus 23, and then you simplify this by cubing the x to 216, or cubing the 6 to 216, and then you get x cubed plus 23.
For f of x minus 25, you first put this into the equation, so you get, or the formula, so you'd get x minus 25 cubed plus 23, and then you'd write out x minus 25 cubed 3 times, so it would result to x minus 25 times x minus 25, so on and so forth. So then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply x minus 25 by x minus 25 to get x squared minus 25 minus 25x minus 25x plus 625, which you can simplify to x squared minus 50x plus 625. And then when you've done this, you want to multiply this by x minus 25 again, and this results with x cubed minus 50x squared plus 625x minus 25x squared plus 1250x minus 15,625 plus 23. Then you're going to combine like terms, and you're going to get x cubed minus 75x squared plus 1875x minus 15,602.
So for this final problem, we have a pseudo new term. It's called delta x, but most of us probably know it as the change in x. So our initial problem was f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. And we had to add this little addition here, delta x can't equal 0, because since delta x is the change in x, if there's no change in x, and we're also dividing by change of x, that would mean that this answer would be undefined, therefore not an actual answer to evaluation of this function. So we just plug it in, since that's x cubed, we do x plus delta x cubed plus 23 minus x cubed plus 23. Just bring all the values down, so that becomes x cubed. This becomes 3x of delta s, because it's delta x 3 times. Then you have the actual term itself, delta x cubed. Add 23 minus x cubed minus 23 because of that negative sign there. All these terms here, they cross each other out, so we're just left with 3x of delta x plus delta x cubed divided by delta x. With it here, we can get rid of this delta x here and at least one of these by making it a distribution here with delta x going into 3x plus delta x squared, because we have the cube sign here. So only one of those is getting removed, so it'll still end up being, down here, it'll actually end up being 3x plus delta x squared would be the solution for when delta x does not equal 0.
Okay, and these are all our math problems for the functions, and the end of our video. Any questions?